This is the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Gen 3, and the first thing I noticed was how solid it felt the moment I placed my hands on it. The aluminum top plate gives it a premium weight without feeling excessive, while the textured double-shot PBT keycaps provide a confident grip that stays comfortable even after hours of typing and gaming. I also appreciate the compact TKL layout because it frees up extra desk space for wider mouse movements without sacrificing the keys I actually use. After spending time with it, the OmniPoint 3.0 magnetic switches quickly became my favorite feature. I adjusted different actuation points for gaming and typing, and the difference was immediately noticeable. A very light setting felt incredibly responsive during competitive matches, while a deeper actuation made everyday typing more controlled and reduced accidental presses. Rapid trigger made movement feel smoother, and rapid tap gave me more confidence during fast directional changes. Protection mode was another feature I ended up relying on because it reduced unwanted key activations during hectic moments. The typing experience is also much better than I expected. The added sound dampening layers and factory lubricated stabilizers create a deeper, cleaner sound with very little hollow noise. Every key press feels smooth and consistent. I frequently use the OLED display and the metal volume roller to change settings, adjust lighting, and switch profiles without interrupting what I was doing. It feels practical rather than just decorative. There are a few compromises that stood out during my time with it. The magnetic switches are not hot swappable, so replacing them with aftermarket options is not possible. I also found the SteelSeries GG software slightly crowded, especially when setting up more advanced macros. Even so, once everything was configured, daily use became effortless. Overall, I found the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Gen 3 to be an outstanding keyboard focused on speed, precision, and comfort. Its premium construction, highly customizable magnetic switches, satisfying acoustics, and thoughtful hardware controls make it one of the most impressive gaming keyboards I have personally used.